Oh my goodness. All right, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. How is everybody's day going? Today it's like basically raining a lot in here. Let me put this hair forward as well. You know what? I like it this way. Okay, so all right. Let's go and start today's live stream. Let's go. All right, you guys like go ahead and comment like if I'm audible or not, or like engage with the poll in general. And by that time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically open up my chat box here. Should be right here. Today I took some notes as well, and overall, everyone just engage with the poll and like let me know if I'm audible or not. Am I audible or not? If I'm audible, just go ahead and put in the chat box yes. Where's this? Okay. Now let's talk about today's, like first let's start with like the first and foremost thing, today's daily analysis, which is like daily bias. Today we're bearish because yesterday's candle, just like we anticipated, closed below the previous day's low and also touched the previous week's high as well, which means a lot of orders got rested here, which didn't allow buyers to go further up. And also we closed below previous day's low, like that previous day's low. And now we're expecting the same thing to happen here for the price, the candle to close below previous day's low over here as well. So I hope you understood. If not, just go ahead and look at this or read this. Today I took a couple of trades which I already shared with you guys in the crypto section over here. So these are the trades that I took. This is a trade that I took today on the 5-minute time frame of Bitcoin. And then I took a trade on gold. This was that setup right here. And I told you guys like yesterday, let me grab this. I told you guys like yesterday what will happen with Ethereum, and on Ethereum I took a sell trade over here, which I again shared with you in the Discord community under here crypto trades. Ethereum over here. I don't think I shared this trade. I'll share it. I'll share it now after this live stream. But anyways, today I was looking to enter a long position after this breakout, but this wasn't a valid breakout, so we don't consider this a breakout in general. So again, price retested this area again, and we got a breakout. Then we got the market, like the structure within our range. But what we didn't get is a pullback to our range before the market took back up, and it continued basically without us. But now we again got a break, a nice break. So what we're looking for is another candle where we can enter a long position in. So it's like as simple as that. On Bitcoin, I only entered one trade over here and then no trades at all. But Bitcoin is taking support from previous day's low. So this is previous day's low, and Bitcoin is sort of like taking it as a support and then moving back up in the lower time frames. But let's see if we can like break this level or continue to have that upward momentum, which is what I'm thinking can happen for a little while. Solana, no trades at all. And coming back to gold, this was a trade that I took. I waited for the market to test this high out because it failed multiple times to take this high out. Came back, failed over here, and then came back over here. I waited for that retracement and then looked for a long position, and then I booked profits right here. And I told this to you guys yesterday that we were expecting some sort of pull up, like pull back from here. And we got exactly that. And I targeted this high, waited for this high to get validated, and then a retracement over here, and then I looked to long positions, aiming for this high. As simple as that. So that was my gold setup for today. Let's see if we can find any more setups today as well in gold. And if you guys have any questions or anything that you want to talk about, just go ahead and put it in the chat box below and let me know. And what else? And after that, gold just like continue that side momentum and then seller stepping in. And now let's see what happens. But now what I'm going to do is focus on Ethereum because I think we can have a setup here. So what I'm looking at over here can be a long position, but we didn't actually get it into the range. So this could be something similar to this situation, targeting a 2R trade. Now this could be something like this. But what we want is another candle to give us a pullback before looking for long positions. So that's what I want to happen. And guys, go ahead and put it in the chat box below if you have any questions or like just want to say hi. And how are you guys doing? And everything else. Wait, where's the chat box? It completely disappears from here. Okay, now we're back in. Awesome. Okay, so what we want is a candle closement inside our range. Something similar to this situation like we entered yesterday. What we want is a break inside our range, a retracement candle before we look to take that. So we want this to happen over here right now as well. Let's wait for a break into our range and like a candle closure in our range, and then we can see what happens. So we came close to our range, and then Ricky, Ocha, I'm doing bad. Why? Did you make a loss today? What was it? What was it, Mr. Ricky? Just like let us know and let's see if I can help you. Ooh, look at the, and also I did forget to mention that today we have news. So if you are trading, be careful when you're trading. And Mr. Reiki, why are you doing bad? Just like let us know. I updated all my trades here. If you're not a part of our Discord community, I think you're seriously missing out on so much value. So I suggest you go ahead in the description box below. It's completely free to join. I share all of my trade setups. You can also share your trade setups under trade ideas or even in the general chat right here as well. And yeah, why was your day bad? Engage with the poll, you guys. Like, if you made a profit or a loss, like, engage with the poll. Okay. And now, coming back to our news today. Let's go over here. We also share in our community weekly news from October 27th to October 31st. Today is Wednesday. So on Wednesday, we have at 11:30, all right, we have federal funds rate and FOMC statement, which can have an impact on our pairs, which exactly like if I'm trading gold, I'm going to get affected. Bitcoin, crypto is going to get affected because it's paired with USD. And any pair that is paired with USD, and if USD has a news, that pair is going to get affected, which means that we can see some volatility in the market. And yeah, I leveraged my account too much. I went from 200 to 4,000 in 12 days and then lost it all. Oh man. Damn, bro. Like good for your consistency. Like you turned $200 into 4,000 and in 12 days. Awesome. But then you lost it all. It happens. There was a guy there was a guy in Reel that showed up. Basically similar situation to yours. He started with I believe $2,000, turned it into 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, and then he did like withdraw that amount. What he did was like he consistently traded, and then one day he lost it all. So happens, all right. It happened to me as well. I sometimes I mean I don't know about leverage, but sometimes it's like losing strikes and then like my account getting wiped out. I had those moments, so don't worry, we can get that back. But I do remember this exact situation happening to someone else that like I know, where he turned like $2,000 into 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then lost it all. That was heartbreaking for him. That was literally heartbreaking. But no worries. No worries. No worries, Mr. Reiki. We can make it back. This is trading. That's what's good about trading, right? We can make that money back. So I think it's not like any other business that's going to take years, but we can make that money back nonetheless. So it's all right. We all had those moments. But really shout out to your like patience and your consistency that you were able to turn 200 into $4,000. It's just awesome. Let's see if we can get a proper break into our range, which is like this range from here to here, and then a retracement candle before we look for long position. That's what I'm hoping to happen. And Mr. Reiki, if you have any questions, like let me know in the chat box below, and give this live stream a like below as well. It's all right. Don't get angry at trading. It happens. So, yeah. What did you learn from it, though? What did you learn from it? Mr. Reiki, what did you learn from that lesson in trading? Let us know. And guys, if you have any more questions, just let me know in the chat box below so I can answer it to you guys live. What's it called? What are you talking about? All right, what's it called? What do you mean by that? Can you elaborate a little bit? We are pretty close to for the candle to close inside our range, and then like we could have entered, but the market decided to have. I learned not to leverage and what's it called? The course, is it in your videos or is it 101? So Mr. Reiki, it's basically you can do both things. You can directly go ahead and find out what strategy that I use to make consistent profits like this every single day. I swing trade on Forex pairs and I day trade on crypto pairs. So these are all my trades and I take them on live stream every single day. So you can check that out as well. And with entry, exit, NSL, TP, everything's like here. You can check out all my trades. So if you want to find out exactly what my strategy is, then I suggest you go to Tradex entry formula, which will basically tell you what strategy that I'm using. But if you want to talk one-on-one with me, then you have to basically book a one-on-one call with me. And then we just sit down and then we figure out how we at Tradex can help you become a consistently profitable trader with live support, meaning that you get live support directly from me. You can share your trade ideas directly to me so that I can review it and share it to you. Basically, like having a mentor. And our strategy is like what we use at Tradex to make consistent, profitable trades like this. And there are losses and there are profits, okay? Okay, bet. I hope you understood. I want you to just go check it out. It's completely free to go check it out. Just see what we can provide you. Let me open up that page as well. Just like see what we can provide you and then just go. And if you want to see exactly what we can provide you for free, then our Discord community is like seriously free for you to join. Some people charge like $14, $15 per week. I'm saying per week just to get access to those type of communities. So you can just like check it out. And one of the things that I mostly believe in that I tell to all my students is that what you invest at Tradex, like whether it can be purchasing our course or whether it can be a 101, basically you can make it back. That's the thing, right? In any other business, you cannot make it back as fast or as quickly as possible. But with that Tradex, you can actually, what you put in as an investment, you can make it back. That's what I believe in, and that's what I wrote it in here as well. So if you want to talk one-on-one, just go ahead and explore. It's completely free to explore and just like see what we can provide you in that and everything else. And if you relate to any of these lines, then just go ahead and book a one-on-one call. It's going to be a 30-minute call where we sit down and we figure out how we at Tradex can help you become a consistently profitable trader. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you understood. And if you have any more questions, like just let me know. And yeah, any more questions you have, just let me know in the chat box below so I can answer to you guys live. That's what I'm saying. Like, all I'm trying to tell you is like explore our website, see what we can provide you. And if you still have like, I don't know about that, then go ahead and join our Discord community. It's completely free to join. So as well, that the reason I encourage people to join our Discord community first is to see what we can provide you for free and how we can actually level you up. If you think those resources are useful, then imagine what we can provide you when you become a member. So it's like that simple. I've been waiting for Ethereum to break this level, and it did over here, but then it ended up going sideways and then continuing like without us, and then happened over here as well. So let's see if we can finally get that momentum like this. But overall, in the higher time frames, like the daily time frames, let's go to daily. Why am what? Excuse me here. I opened up a completely different chart. So in the daily time frame, I am looking for a bearish close, which means we can have a little bit of pullback, which is what we're trying to capture in the lower time frames. But then at the end of the day, we're looking to take these lows out and closing a bullish, like a bearish candle. So that's what I'm thinking today can happen, because yesterday buyers really tried to push the market up. But then over here, previous week's high got taken out and previous day's high, which means liquidation. A lot of buyers, sellers, orders over here. Then we immediately came back down, which was a huge spike down in the lower time frames, which we were able to capture yesterday. All those trades are like traded or shared over here as well. So all of these trades that I took yesterday were able to capture on that move down. And this trade I haven't shared, I believe, which I will share. Anyways, any questions you guys have, let me know. All right, finally, we're getting some momentum back into our range, so let's see what happens. Let's change this path tool to make you understand a little bit better. So what we want is this, this, and that. Simple. My first TP would be right here, but indeed I'm targeting a 2R trade, meaning, oh my god, that was such a bad 2. A 2R trade. That's better. That's what I'm capturing. Everyone, welcome everyone. Good evening, good afternoon. How is your day going? And if you took any trades, engage with the poll and let us know if you made a profit today or loss. Just be transparent and honest. And if you have any questions that you want to ask me, go ahead and put it in the chat box below and let me know. And Mr. Ricky, if you have any more questions, just let me know as well in the chat box below. This is what I'm expecting the market to do. So let's see. Everyone, just go ahead and hit that like button for me, please. Like, it just genuinely motivates me to consistently live stream. So go ahead, guys. Hit that like button below. Let's observe gold as well. If we can see, like, let's see if I can place any trades. But if gold continues, it can take these lows out in general. This is again the 5-minute time frame that I'm talking about. Let's go to the higher time frames and see what gold is doing. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, what I'm thinking can happen is a slight bit of rejection, like I told you, to take those lows out, and then getting that pull back up to these levels. But I'm bullish on gold. Gold had like a slight bit of pullback in the daily time frame, but overall we can see that making a swing low over here to take this swing high out. But in general, we can reach to this level before having slight pullbacks, creating a range here before gold makes an all-time high again. So that's what I'm thinking gold can do, but let's see. What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat box below and comment below. Let's go back to the 5-minute time frame. In gold, I specifically enter in the 15-minute time frame. It just gives me a lot less noise and a clear structure to work on. And then on crypto pairs, I trade in the 5-minute time frame, and I trade like I swing trade on Forex in the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, let's see if we can get this momentum. It's quite boring when the market doesn't come into our range. All you have to do is wait with patience until the market comes in our range, and then we get entered in. It's quite boring now. So guys, ask me questions. Let's make this live stream a lot more interesting. So you better ask your questions right now. Just feel free to ask me whatever you want, and I'll answer it live. And if you're not a part of our Discord community, I think you're seriously missing out on so much value. So you can go ahead and do that. And if you have any more questions left, just let me know so that I can answer it to you guys live. And once, just go ahead and do you do Forex? Yes, I do trade on Forex. I swing trade on Forex. So if you look at my trades right here under Forex, you can see all my trades that I took on Forex. I mostly swing trade on Forex, which has helped me like make more consistent profits than day trading. But if I do prefer to day trade, then I trade in the 15-minute time frame. But most of the time I swing trade on Forex. So this was the last swing trade that I took on USD JPY right over here, which was a pretty huge profit for me since the lot size that I entered in, even though it's like a 1/6 risk to reward. But it's just amazing to have swing trades because it's a swing trade. Obviously, it's a lot more bigger profit. So I swing trade on Forex, and yes, I do trade on Forex. But mostly I day trade on crypto. For example, this. But I also keep my eye on Forex pairs and gold as well, because today we traded gold right here. This was a trade setup on gold. I waited for that retracement. Let me explain my gold setup to you as well. This is exactly how I entered in gold. I waited for the market for such a long time. I told this to you, I mean not to you, but I told about this in the last live stream. I wanted this high to get taken out, then a pullback before looking for that long position, and I targeted my TP based on this high, which was amazing, and then we fully like hit. So this was my entry level. This is why your entry is so important. Exactly. So that was my entry, and then we profited really nicely, which was a 3-hour trade on gold. And I'm pretty happy because like every single day I'm making consistent profits, and which is leaving me my entire week P&L in green. Cool. And if you have any more questions, like just let me know in the chat box below so I can answer it to you guys live. And did you also like check out the 101 as well? Basically, you and I sit down and see how we can at Tradex make you a better trader. All right, we're getting into our range. Let me side this pad tool. All right. Let's wait for the candle to close inside our range, a retracement candle, like a pullback, before we look for long position. And any questions that you guys have, just let me know, and hit that like button, y'all. It just like seriously motivates me to make consistent live streams. So yeah. And if you guys are not a part of our Discord community, it's free. So I think you're seriously wasting your time not being in that community. So go ahead, join the community. It's completely free. We share daily BTC USD bias every single day. This is today's as well. I explained this earlier in my stream on today's daily bias. I trade all of the Forex, crypto, and gold pairs, and I actually share all my trade setups with entry, exit, TP. And also we do weekly Forex news as well. So this is this week's news. Today we have FOMC statement at 11:30. So just be careful and keep your eye out. Mr. Perfect, Bitcoin will go up. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So what is your strategy, ma'am? It's linked in the description. So it's basically a trading center formula. Your entry is as important as your TP or your SL because where you enter determines your entire setup. So basically, let me show you. Now coming to gold trade, why do you think I entered exactly right here? It's because I had a psychology. This is exactly where my entry was, and I targeted this high, and I knew it was going to go up. So that is why your entry is so important. That is why our strategy itself is called Tradex entry formula. So it's basically linked in the description box below. I want you to check it out. Just check it out. It's completely free. So we offer one-on-one sessions as well. So you can book a one-on-one call with me directly, and we can talk and see how we at Tradex can help you become a consistently profitable trader. So you can basically explore. We do also, if you get access and become a premium member, you'll get access to our elite trader community as well in the Discord. So it's basically a community of traders that are determined to be a consistently profitable trader. It's just super cool. And then you also get live mentoring from me, and again, a lot of stuff. And plus a Discord community access, premium Discord community access, plus a pro trading journal that I personally use on Notion. I'll share a video on that, a YouTube video on that. So all I want you to do is just explore this page and like try to see. Okay. Coming back to Ethereum, let's see what happened. Are you serious, Ethereum? So Kishore, as I hope you understood what I meant here, you can go check it out. The link's in the description box below. And if you want to see what we can provide you for free, then basically join our Discord community where we offer free stuff. And yeah, any more questions that you guys have, just let me know and I'll answer it to you guys live. And I recommend every single one of you to join our Discord community because we're building serious traders here, and I encourage every single one of you, because you all are serious traders. I want you to join our community. You're welcome, Kishore. And if you have any more questions, Mr. Kishore, just like let me know about trading or about a one-on-one call and how we can help you become a better trader. All the links are in the description, so you can check them out as well. And guys, go ahead and give this live stream a like below. It just literally motivates me to make consistent live streams. So let's see. And if you guys took any trades, just like put it in the chat box below and let me know on what trades you guys took and on what pair as well. And you can also share your trade setups over here in our Discord community. It's completely free for you guys to join and like share your setups over here as well. So yeah. Where is the chat box? So yeah, guys, any more questions? Like, just let me know. I've been waiting since this morning to enter a trade on Ethereum. I was like waiting for a break. Literally, let me explain my entire psychology today on Ethereum. So, we broke, came back, but we didn't get that pullback. And then we went sideways. And then the market continued without us and went up instead. And then now we're getting that break and a close within our range. But we didn't actually close inside our range. So that means our trade is not valid now. We want the market, like I basically want the market to come back and close inside our range and get a pullback before we look for a long position. But in the higher time frames, like the daily time frame, I'm bearish. But in the shorter time frames, we can get that pullback, like pull up. So yeah, that's what I'm targeting. Again, this is a 5-minute time frame, so like we can trade on either side. But the daily bias for today on crypto, like on Bitcoin as well, it's bearish, and I'm expecting a candle closure over here, like taking this low out. So yesterday it happened. This was yesterday's low, and we closed over here bearish, just like I told you guys in the daily analysis over here as well. We're expecting bearish, taking this low out as well and closing bearish over here, and that's what the market did. And today we're expecting the same thing to happen again. So yeah. I'm here for learning English, not trading. I mean, if you're learning English, then that's fine. You're learning something now with my live stream, so that's great. So now, and guys, any questions, like just let me know. Let's go back to Ethereum now. It's quite boring today on Ethereum. Like I usually take most of my trades on Ethereum, but some days are like this. Some days are like quite boring. But luckily, I did manage to get a couple of trades on Bitcoin and on gold, so I'm pretty happy about that. But today, I just want to capture a trade in Ethereum. But if we can, and if it does align into our trading plan, then we're going to capture a trade and capitalize on that. If not, no trades for today on Ethereum. So I'm going to look for gold setups as well, but indeed, let's see. And guys, any questions that you guys have, just like let me know. And yeah. Everyone just go ahead and leave a like in the description, sorry, in the chat box below, and like ask me questions as well. And any like doubts or confusions that you have about trading or any like recent thing that you learned about trading, just let me know in the chat box below and let us learn from each other. So yeah. And Mr. Ricky, Mr. Perfect, Mr. Kishore, any questions that you guys have, like let me know in the chat box below. God damn, like seriously, the market needs to close inside our range, a pullback, and this. That's what we're waiting for. So I applied for the course, but where do I look? I don't see anything on my Gmail. I don't get it. So which like did you apply for 101 or our course? Because you have to click over here on Start Trading Smarter today, and it takes you to another page. Basically like this. Mr. Ricky, did you get the email or not? All right, so we're not yet in the trade now. What we want is a close in our range, then a pullback, and that's where we're gonna enter, and that's where I'm gonna put my limit order in. That's what I did, and it like sent me anywhere. I'm sorry, I don't think the link is placed right, because like once you click over here and then you apply, you basically wait, let me just share that link to you live. So this is a link. Let me share that in the chat box below. So yeah, this is the link, Mr. Reiki. So if you go through that, then it'll take you to a landing page where you can actually see our courses. So yeah, you can go from there. So yeah, any more questions? Oh, okay, okay. Just like check it out and like see what we can provide you, and then move on with the rest of the process. And if you want to book a one-on-one call with me directly, then simply go to the description where it says like 101, or just go to our website. It'll basically pop up here 101. Read, explore the website on what we can provide you, and then just book a one-on-one call with me where we sit down and talk on how we at Tradex can help you become a consistently profitable trader. You can ask your questions there as well, where we explore on and create a trading plan for you based on your like daily schedule. Because a lot of people work 9 to 5. A lot of my students only trade gold. A lot of students only trade on Forex. A lot of students only trade on crypto. So it's like different variations and different style that people trade on. Some people trade only like swing trade. Some people day trade. Some people scalp. So there's like difference. So that's why a one-on-one call basically helps you understand you as a better trader. And yeah, any questions, let me know in the chat box below. Hi Cherry, how are you doing? How has your day been? And if you have any questions, like let me know in the chat box below. I clicked it where it says, and then it gives me an error. Has occurred during the request. Current request with a sad face. It should work. Why didn't that work? Let me check it out. Mr. Reiki, just give me a minute. Let me check it out. Where is this? So basically you opened up the page, right? Just give me a minute and I'll check it out. And if not, if it still doesn't work, then you're signed up. So I got your email. I'll send it to you personally in the email. It's working for me, Mr. Reiki. So if you can just like log in there as well, I think you'll get that page. Did BTC grab the liquidity here? Let me try Safari. I'm using Chrome. It should work. It should work on any like browser, but let's see. But if it still doesn't work, then I do have your email, I believe, since you signed up and applied. So I'll email it to you personally. And Bitcoin, where is it? I'm Mr. Perfect. I think Bitcoin is like basically taking a support from previous day's low. So we can expect a slight bit of pull up, like pull back over here before it closes. So let's see. Let's see what happens. But I took one trade. I think all my trades that I took recently on Bitcoin are like sell positions. This was a huge trade as well. And then this was another trade that I took today. And I also shared that. No, it's not working. It doesn't. It should work. So basically when you click on the Access Now button, it'll open up like where you can log in with Google, and then it opens up the rest of the page. But just like, let me know your email as well so I can send it to you. I'm located in South Texas. Maybe it's because of that. It should work since like it's all that, but I think I do have your mail as well. But if not, just like let me know your mail so I can like screenshot it, and after the live ends, I can quickly send that page to you. I can show you as it's like it's literally not let me. It's all right. No worries, no worries, no worries. Just like let me know your email. And if you did sign up, I think I will have your email. But did you like log in with your Google account? Or else like I'll send that link. I can show you as or screen recording. You can like put a screenshot in the Gmail, like maybe try that. I don't know what the issue is in here, but it should probably work in my opinion because it's like working for me. But yeah, if you have like any difficulties, then just like email us so that we can email you back with that link. You can just like send it. So Mr. Reiki, just go to the description or in the contact us page in our website. Let me go over here. So basically, if you click over here, it'll open up a login page for you. Is it showing up for you or not? Like this page in particular. Is it showing up or not? I'll show you through Discord. All right, it's fine. Show me through Discord what's like going on. It's all right. Take your time, Mr. Ricky. All right, guys, if you have any more questions, like let me know in the chat box below. And if you guys took any trades at all as well, let me know. And go ahead and give this live stream a like below. It like genuinely motivates me to make consistent live streams every single day. So yeah, I got it, Ricky. Like, let me check here. All right, so I'm looking at the video. Yeah, I can see that. All right, so I'm gonna basically send that link to you now. All right, so I'm gonna message you on Discord with that link. So I've just sent you a friend request. So if you can accept that, I'll basically send that link to you. All right, okay. I'm gonna send that link to you now. Just click on the link and see if it works or not. If it still doesn't, then we're gonna figure it out, okay? It should probably work. I think it's definitely because like you're based out. Okay, just like check it out and let's see if it works or not. It's still not working? Are you kidding? Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. It should work. Like right after this live stream ends, I'm gonna figure a solution for you and then I'm gonna send the link. I'm so sorry. I will literally. Oh dear. It's not working. I'm gonna literally figure it out. I'm so sorry. Thank you for your patience. I think it's definitely because like I don't know why it's like not letting us. Okay, cool. Cool, Mr. Reiki. I'll definitely figure it out. I'll email it to you. I'll also send you a request in the Discord community as well. And Mr. Reiki, if you have any questions, like let me know in the chat box until this live ends. So we could just like discuss here and then I will try to send that link again to you. Alright, so I'm definitely gonna try to send that link again to you once this live stream ends. So just have a little bit of patience. I do need to open up a couple of apps and see why it's not actually working. So yeah. I also do have to contact the user that we're using, so thanks for your patience though, like really. What time is it there for you? Is it like midnight? Because we do have news at 11:30 IST here, so FOMC. So yeah, any questions that you have, just let me know about trading or about psychology that you guys want me to explain or go more in depth. So yeah. And everyone just like go ahead and give this live stream a like below. I'm seriously like so pissed off at Ethereum. Like all we want is that. But again, the market doesn't always listen to you, so we have to wait with patience now, and that's what I'm gonna do. And this live will end in a couple more minutes, so you guys better ask your questions to me right now and leave a comment as well. It's 10 a.m. I feel like I didn't let me because I'm like close to Mexico. Basically, it should let you because it's like worldwide and it's like remote locations. So definitely after this live stream finishes, I'm gonna figure the shit out, like what's actually happening and stuff. So yeah. You can also like Mr. Ricky, you can check out the 101 as well. So if that's like not working for you, you can check out the 101. That should probably work for you. Can you like please check that as well and see if that's working or not? Because if it's not, then I'm gonna have to reboot my entire UI here. So just like check it out if this is working or not for you. So basically, click on the 101 and then click on this button right here, which will take you to this page. Okay, just like check it out if it's working or not. Just like let me know. Okay, let me try that. Okay, just go ahead and check it out. Thank you. And any more questions you guys have, just like let me know in the chat box below so I can answer it to you guys live. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe as well. Like go ahead and hit that like button right now. And let's see if this happens. It's quite annoying now. Guys, comment like your favorite motivational quote in trading that motivates you, or like any quote in general, like any quote that motivates you, just like let me know in the chat box. Is it like, oh well, the 101 works, but it's I want the course. Definitely, I'm gonna try to figure that as well. I don't think it's $51. It's a lot less. But definitely I'll email that link to you and I'll try that again as well. Oh man. So the core, like the 101 is working, but the course isn't, right? So exactly after this live stream finishes, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure out the link. I'm gonna use my VPN also to see if that's working or not. And then I'll definitely email that link to you. I'll just wait till the live is over. Yeah, thank you so much for your patience, really. I appreciate it so much. So, yeah. So, Ethereum is basically ignoring our setup completely. So, let's see. Again, sometimes basically let the market take, I think Ethereum is taking these lows out. And if it continues that momentum, like I told you in the higher time frames, I am bearish. So Ethereum can take these lows out as well. But generally, let's wait for a slight bit of pullback to happen before that bearish momentum happens. So guys, go ahead and give this live stream a like below. And any questions that you guys have, just like let me know. Let me know. And Mr. Ricky, if you have any more questions, like let me know. And anyone, just like if you took a trade today, engage with the poll, whether it was a profit or a loss, and comment what is your favorite motivational quote that inspires you to make consistent profits in trading, or that just like inspires you to basically become a better trader. Well, I'll keep you posted, Mr. Ricky, in the Discord and in the email as well. But yeah, thanks for your patience though. All right. So this is my trade setup. So if this trade setup does align, then I'll definitely share that with you in the Discord as well, in the crypto trades here. Oh my god, that's my dog. Well, come in. Okay, so all these trades will get updated in the Discord community as well. And if you guys have any questions in general, just like let me know. And give this live stream a like below, guys. All right. Let's go back to our trade setup. Let's go take a look at gold as well. What is gold doing? Like I told you earlier, gold will take these lows out, and it did indeed do that. So if you are in a sell position, look to target like recent lows like this low. So let's see if gold does manage to hit that. Again, this is a 5-minute time frame I'm looking at. So in the higher time frames, we're expecting a pullback up. So let's see. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now coming to a 4-hour time frame, it's exactly in this range. So if I grab my fib tool from the swing high to swing low, it's exactly at 0.5 level, which is a massive level for a bit of a rejection and then move up. So that's exactly why I'm telling you that we can have a slight bit of pullback. So yeah, let's go back to, again, Ethereum and Bitcoin. We're looking to close, look at this, below previous days. We're not looking to break, we're looking for that candle to close actually below previous day's low. And coming back to Ethereum, again, if this setup aligns, I will definitely share that with you in the Discord community. And guys, if you have any more questions, just like let me know in the chat box below. Any questions that you guys have, just like let me know. Because I'll be closing this live stream in a couple more minutes. So yeah. Let's remove this tool over here. So let's distance this. Again, I have no running trades on Ethereum currently right now. So yeah, no limit orders placed, no nothing. So once we get a candle close above our range, then I will place a limit order here. So when it comes back, it hits and then gives us that nice long position. So yeah. Coming back to this, we're expecting like exactly this to happen. A candle close inside the range, a pullback candle, similar to this, like a retest candle, and then looking to do this. And then exactly vice versa, opposite over here. That's what I'm expecting to happen as well. So yeah, any questions that you guys have, let me know because I'll be closing this live stream in a couple more minutes. Just give me 1 second. All right, we're back. So yeah, any questions, just like let me know. And I'll be closing this live stream in a couple more minutes. So guys, go ahead and give this live stream a like below as well. You don't know this. So it's just like this. This is trading. This is called trading. You have to wait with patience until your setup aligns. I'm not entering out of FOMO. I'm not entering because I got that money and I can't enter. I'm only going to enter when my setup aligns and when my trading plan checklist like actually get tick off. And that's when I'm going to enter. Until and unless that happens, I'm just going to sit tight and wait for my setup to actually align. And that's when I'm going to be entering. So I did this mistake when I was like first starting out in trading. I used to just enter out of FOMO when the momentum is like going further into the direction. Then I wasn't like waiting for the market to come to my strategy or come to me. I was just entering solely based out of FOMO. Like if we see a momentum like this happening further, I would be entering and then I would lose it. I just didn't quite understand trading back then, but now I understand basically where exactly to enter and I've learned my lessons. I've gone through those trial and errors and I have a mentor, so that is exactly why I'm in trading consistently profitable earlier than what usually a lot of people are from. So I hope you know what I mean. I had a mentor. That is exactly why I skipped a little bit of trial and error and I got consistently profitable earlier than most people. And all of my links are in the description box below. This is a Discord community. It's completely free for you guys to join. All of my trade setups, profit and loss, honestly, transparent. All of them will be updating over here. And then even this trade, if that does get triggered in, I'll share that setup as well. And if it does get triggered in and goes to myself, I'll share that as well. Because this is completely transparent channel where I want to showcase a live trading. And this is live trading, sitting down and actually waiting for your setup to align so that you take a trade. So yeah. Any questions that you guys have, just like let me know. Because I'll be closing this live stream in a couple more minutes. Come on, guys, be quick. Ask your questions. And if you do want to book a one-on-one call with me, the link's also in the description. All I'm trying to tell you is like explore the page as well and see what we can provide you. And then click on this and then you can book a one-on-one consultation call with me directly where we sit down and then we analyze how we at Tradex can help you become a consistently profitable trader. And the word consistently profitable trader meaning that you will have some losses, but more profits than your losses. So you make more money than what you lose. That's the end goal, right? At the end of the day, no matter how small or big your profit is, a profit is still a profit. And this entire week, I ended up in green. So awesome, awesome, awesome. These are all my trades as well. You can check it out in the Discord community. And today at 11:30, do keep your eyes on the market. We have FOMC. So that's shared also in our Discord community. We do this every week. So this is this week's. I basically want you to pause this live stream and like read this or just like join our community. The Discord community is completely free. It's linked in the description box below and see what we have over here. So Wednesday, today, which is today, at 11:30, we have this USD news, which will basically affect the market. Well, any more questions, just like let me know because I'll be closing this live stream in a couple more minutes. Alrighty. So yeah, guys, ask your questions quickly. Well. Well, guys, that's it for today's live stream. I'll see you guys all tomorrow with a lot more better energy, a lot more trade setups to share as well. And if you have any questions, like just let me know because I'll be closing this live stream in a couple more minutes. So like be quick as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So ask your questions now. I'll wait a minute. And do be careful because we do have FOMC today at 11:30 IST. In your time zone, I don't know what it is in your time zone, but you can check it out in our trading community as well. Where is it? Right here. And if I place any trades, I'll let you guys know about that as well. And guys, that's it for today's live stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a lot more setups and all my trade setups. Even if I take after this live stream, will get updated in the Discord community. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, a good day in general, and just be cool. All right, guys. Bye.